Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of mine. I'm gonna show a vlog of my two puppies and my big dog. I'm gonna go head to them. And here they are. Her name is Cheeky. She's a border collie. Come on, Cheeky, show your face. Oh, you're so cute. They're like 4 months old. The other one's name is Gypsy. And she is also a border collie because they were both born from the same mother, which is my big dog. She is also a border collie. And yeah, those are my two little puppies. They're both girls, and yeah. They were born like in September, so yeah. I gotta show my big dog. Her name is Wanda. She is 8 years old. Wanda, come on. Oh my God, my puppies are following me. And here she is. She gets really angry with her own kids, because they always bother her and such. Yeah, she always gets mad, so it's just normal for her. She's like, I think she's gonna turn this year 8 years old. She's also a border collie, a beautiful one. She had 3 kids. She was supposed to have 6 kids, but the other 3 died, which I'm very sad about. But she at least had 3. There's the boy puppy, but we already gave him to a different owner. So because we couldn't have like 4 dogs at the same time. So here are those were my dogs. I'm glad you watched this video. Please make sure to like and subscribe. And also try to hit the notification bell to make sure you don't miss a video. Bye-bye.